Hello, I'm David Walter, Director of EGRC Solutions with RSA, the security division of EMC. I'd like to spend a few minutes introducing you to the Archer Vendor Management solution. Archer Vendor Management automates and streamlines the ongoing oversight of vendor relationships, allowing you to centralize vendor data, assess third-party risk and performance, and ensure compliance with your policies and controls. Vendor management represents a core component of a best-in-class enterprise governance risk and compliance program. The solution allows your organization to operationalize GRC by tying third-party risk assessments into your overarching risk and compliance initiatives. In today's changing global economy, organizations frequently outsource business-critical operations to third-party providers. As these vendors use customer and employee-protected personal information to execute their responsibilities, organizations are challenged to show that their vendors are in compliance with business practices and policies. Implementing an effective vendor management program provides a variety of benefits, including a holistic view of your vendor's compliance to regulations and standards. You also achieve automation and consistency, which can significantly reduce travel and resource requirements. Whether you are engaging a new vendor or maintaining current relationships, the Archer Vendor Management solution provides a best practice approach for automating the management of third parties. First, the solution consolidates key elements for managing vendors into one comprehensive solution, providing relationship and performance management. Second, Archer Vendor Management ensures a consistent vendor management program by automating key processes such as vendor tiering and risk ratings. And third, the solution is fully integrated with other products in the Archer GRC solution suite, enabling you to assess vendor impact on your risk posture in compliance with all applicable regulations and standards. The first step in building your vendor management process is to establish third-party relationships by linking vendors to contracts, engagements, facilities, and contacts. The vendor profile is the hub of the solution, offering a view into all activities for a specific vendor. Within each vendor profile, you can assign relationship managers, establish key performance indicators, document products and services provided, and track facilities and activities associated with the relationship. This allows you to know who your vendors are, where they're located, what they do for you, and who is responsible for the relationship. Defining and tracking service level agreements between a specific business unit and the service provider offers powerful capabilities for ensuring contract compliance. In addition, the aggregation of vendor profile data, including the amount and type of spend, facilitates strategic sourcing opportunities. A good relationship management process enables you to categorize vendors into tiers. As a result, you can tailor assessment efforts based on the criticality of service providers. The Archer Vendor Management solution provides an online interface for performing business impact analyses, the results of which are used to auto-calculate vendor tier. The resulting tier determines which risk assessments are appropriate for the vendor relationship based on their criticality to your business. Once you have established your vendor relationships, you can review and manage the performance of your third-party vendors. The solution allows you to build your own risk questionnaires within minutes. You can also use a pre-configured vendor financial assessment and the Shared Assessments Program Standardized Information Gathering Questionnaire. Assessments can be filtered to ensure that only the appropriate questions are presented to the vendor based on data in their profile. Vendors and relationship managers receive email notifications to complete their assigned assessments within the solution's user-friendly interface. When completing the questionnaire, they can add comments and attach supporting evidence as needed. Archer Vendor Management automatically scores the assessments and generates findings for each incorrect answer, identifying areas of non-compliance. Findings are automatically related to the vendor profile and violated policies and controls for quick and powerful reporting. Assigned personnel can then analyze the nature of the issue and manage its resolution through waivers or remediation plans. Real-time dashboards provide senior management with clear visibility into your third-party providers, the status of their ongoing vendor assessments, and your organization's overall vendor risk exposure. With hundreds of out-of-the-box reports, you can evaluate vendor metrics, SLA tracking, assessment scores, and issue status from a variety of perspectives. You can also quickly create ad hoc reports with drill down and export capabilities. All Archer solutions are built on the highly flexible Archer Smart Suite framework, empowering you to tailor the vendor management solution to your unique and changing requirements. You can import existing vendor information through Archer's simple data import wizard, or use the Archer Data Feed Manager to automate the process of importing data on a set schedule. Typical integrations include importing data from procurement, accounts payable, or legal contract systems. Role-based access controls allow you to ensure that vendor managements have appropriate access to information. Also, you can grant vendors access to the Archer solution to update their vendor profile, complete assessments, and respond to issues. This enables vendor risk managers to spend less time collecting data and more time analyzing the results. Archer Vendor Management is fully integrated with other products in the Archer GRC solution suite, enabling you to operationalize GRC processes across your enterprise. This integration provides you with a comprehensive view of inherent and residual risk for your vendors as they relate to policies, controls, and industry regulations. Additionally, you can track vendor access to corporate assets and monitor incidents as they relate to your service providers. This integration allows you to incorporate your vendor management and assessment process into a broader GRC program. The Archer Vendor Management solution has assisted global organizations across industries in achieving a lower cost, higher quality vendor management process. A major financial services firm that has been using the solution for more than 6 years has reduced their vendor on-site assessment costs by 275%. With the Archer Vendor Management solution, you too can establish a centralized repository of third-party data, clear reporting of activities related to vendor risk, and a consistent and repeatable assessment process. Thank you for taking a moment to learn about the Archer Vendor Management solution. For more information, contact us to request a live demonstration or download the Vendor Management Datasheet.